We're in LAX right now and we're about to get on our airplane, and I just wanted to give you a quick update. I'm going to be in a warehouse helping out, and the guys are going to be in houses doing the dirty work, and thanks for all your support. See you soon.
You guys can see it's just an incredible amount of trash. This is one home and they're probably 3/4 of the way through it. These trucks will work 10 hours and maybe get 20 homes down.
The four of us have gotten quite a bit done. But you can see here, it's just mold everywhere already. And for every bit of drywall we take off, there's mold on the front, there's mold on the back, it's just everywhere. All this wood is so waterlogged and soaked. The water level is about up to here in the house. So you can understand the kind of damage that this did. Obviously.
You guys coming all the way from California to be the hands and feet of Jesus is just awesome. I was just overwhelmed by it, and I know that you are a blessing to this woman and to everyone else in this neighborhood and around our city that y'all are reaching out to and helping and risking your own health going into these homes which are already so covered in mold and trash and water, and it's just amazing what you're doing. We love y'all so dearly, and there's just not words to express our gratitude.
I would hug you right now, but I'm
I
pretty
know,
nasty.
I know.
Bayou is right back over here, and the entire bayou just came up and over that brim, came up and over here, and then up here. And then they thought they were okay, but then when they started releasing the levees, that's when the water started rising. They evacuated, they waded through 4 feet of water. They tried to save what they could in their house, but pretty much lost all their stuff on the first floor. Their grand piano, a bunch of other crazy stuff. So lots of memories with that, but they've got a great attitude about it, and they're like they said, it's just stuff. It's just a pain in the butt to go through all this, but the important thing is that they're all okay and they're alive, and it's been really cool to see how their community is coming together. A lot of their neighbors taking care of each other. Red Cross just brought us a hot meal, so we're pretty stoked about that, and we wouldn't be out here without all of you guys, so thank you. Talk to you soon.
Bye.